flat Earth beliefs have long been dismissed by mainstream science, but, surprisingly, there's a growing group of individuals who stand firm in their belief that our planet isn't round. Even more bizarre, some of them now claim there are alien-human hybrids living on the moon. Today we're diving into the world of flat earthers, how this movement started, where it's thriving, and what's really driving these beliefs. Flat earthers believe the Earth is a flat disk, a notion debunked centuries ago, but making a modern comeback. The movement claims that the world we know, round, governed by gravity, and orbiting the sun, is a lie, part of a global conspiracy involving governments and space agencies. According to flat earthers, the planet is encircled by a massive ice wall, which they believe to be Antarctica, holding the oceans in place. In recent years, a new twist has emerged. Some flat earthers now argue that alien-human hybrids are living on the moon. This bizarre theory suggests these hybrids are watching over us, hidden from view by a massive cover-up. While the scientific community has dismissed these ideas as pseudoscience, the movement continues to grow. The modern flat Earth movement began in the early 2000s, thanks largely to the internet and social media. Platforms like YouTube and Facebook enabled conspiracy theorists to reach wide audiences. By 2015, Flat Earth had become big enough to warrant international conferences, drawing in thousands of believers from around the globe. Influence of social media. Social media algorithms play a key role in spreading Flat Earth ideas. These platforms push users towards similar content, creating echo chambers where conspiracy theories thrive. Once someone engages with a Flat Earth video, they are recommended more, making it easy to fall down the rabbit hole. Where is this movement the strongest? While Flat Earth beliefs exist worldwide, they are especially prominent in a few regions. One of the largest concentrations of Flat Earth supporters is in the United States. A 2018 survey revealed that around 2% of Americans believe the Earth is flat. Although this may seem small, it equates to millions of people. The movement is particularly popular among those distrustful of scientific and governmental institutions. United Kingdom and Europe. In the UK, about 2% of the population has expressed some doubt about the Earth being round, with similar figures across Europe. This movement, while smaller than in the US, continues to grow through online communities and conventions. Brazil and South America. Brazil has become a surprising hotspot for Flat Earth belief. A 2019 poll found that 7% of Brazilians believe the Earth is flat. This widespread belief has turned Flat Earth conventions in Brazil into major events. Other regions. Smaller Flat Earth groups also exist in countries like South Africa, India, and Australia. While these movements are not as large, the internet allows Flat Earth ideas to reach even remote corners of the globe. What drives someone to believe in something as counterintuitive as a flat Earth? Psychology plays a key role in understanding this phenomenon. Many Flat Earthers are influenced by confirmation bias, which means they tend to seek out information that supports their pre-existing beliefs while ignoring evidence that contradicts them. A significant factor is the growing distrust in institutions like governments, corporations, and even science itself. Many Flat Earthers come from communities with deep skepticism toward the authorities, believing that large-scale conspiracies are at play. Being part of the Flat Earth movement also provides a sense of belonging. For some, it's less about the scientific debate and more about finding a community. Flat Earthers feel like they're part of something bigger, a group that sees the world differently from the mainstream, which gives them a strong sense of identity. So, what does the future hold for the Flat Earth movement? With social media platforms beginning to clamp down on conspiracy content, it's becoming harder for Flat Earthers to reach new audiences. However, the movement still thrives within online communities and continues to attract attention. On the flip side, there's a growing push to educate people on critical thinking and scientific literacy. Schools, science communicators, and platforms like YouTube are working to combat misinformation by providing clear, accessible explanations of scientific facts. At the end of the day, the Flat Earth movement serves as a reminder of how easily misinformation can spread in the digital age. While the majority of the world accepts the overwhelming evidence that Earth is round, a persistent minority clings to alternative explanations, driven by a mix of skepticism, psychology, and the human need for belonging. As we move forward in 2024, the battle between science and conspiracy theories will likely continue, but so too will efforts to educate and inform. Do you think flat earthers are just misled, or is there something deeper driving their beliefs? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest deep dives. Thanks for watching, and always remember, science isn't just about facts, it's about the search for truth.